Fish with Anto back, guys, and today I'm heading to Kilmore Quay. So it's 7 in the morning. I'm actually at the service station in Gorey, topping up on coffee, get water and a sambo for the boat, and then on to Kilmore Quay, which is another hour. And today I'm going to be going pollock and wrasse and cod. Now I've brought some tubes, I've brought some booms, and off the booms I'm going to put a hook, a 2-0 hook, probably about 3 foot of line hanging off it. So I'm hoping to try get a couple of wrasse and pollock. Definitely get pollock. Cod is the one we all want, so we'll see how we do. So I'll check back in when I'm in Kilmore Quay. Well guys, just arrived at Kilmore Quay. It's about 25 past 8. So this is what it looks like. Meant to be good weather today, so get my stuff ready and see. Let's go. So here's the setup. Have a boom here with a 4-ounce lead. I've about 3 foot of line, a 2-0 hook on a head hook, a rag. I have some mackerel feathers set up and we come across mackerel. You see the weather is not too bad, it's calm enough. It's a bit cloudy, but it's meant to be warm today. So heading out now. There's the harbour back there. Camera shots. This is, and look, a small pollock. Jesus, what size pollock do you normally catch?
That's a nice one.
Be a big cod. Be a big cod. Oh, he's not letting go. Oh no, he's still on. Say pollock. Feel of it.
Don't be like that, Dick. Of course you would have got above the line. One more. Look at this. There you go. Yeah. He's a lovely one, yeah. That's a fairly big one.
Done! Woohoo! Oh yeah, mine looks like a baby. Is he coming over, is he? Oh, Coley, is it? A Coley. Straight line in the body. How you know it's a Coley? If you see it out there, if you see it, it's hanging around the boat. So it's better reeling up before he gets to you. He's playing this up, saying it's big, he might have a seal and all, so like, let's see. If this turns out to be a minnow, it's gonna look really bad for you. Oh God, we're watching you. Put your back into it, Ant, will you, for God's sake? Oh, I'm on as well.
Oh, it's gone.
Go on, keep reeling, because mine's at her jolting there. You are hitting me. Keep going. Keep going. Now, Ant, come on, you said this was a massive fish. Don't be messing about.
No, he's not.
That's very convenient.
He's gone, boys.
He's watching us out there, that seal. Anton might think he might have took his, he might have took your massive fish that turned out just to be a weight. Sure. No, oh, he's looking at you, Anton. It's like he knows you're the man catching the big fish. Bastard, better get her up fast. Have to reel fast because the seals that are disappearing. Yes, I am. Pollock, yeah. Oh. He's out there killing himself, did he? He's out there killing himself. He jumped off. Oh, he went back. Is he still on? Oh yeah, he's still on. Well, he was on, felt a jolt there. I think, yeah, he's still on. Nice size, Don.
You want myself?
Yeah. What? See, there's a bit of pressure on her. There you go. There. Nice one. On the crab and squid, doesn't it? Does it feel like a bit of weight? You have filmed me before and said this, so you know I'm kind of.
A big bag.
That's pretty cool. Look at him waiting for the food. Oh, he's thinking about taking it out of his hand. Come around for another pass and see if we get him.
Yeah.
We get him. That's pretty cool. He missed it.
He's too close to it.
Look, there's another one there.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Hang on.
Coming back.
He's coming back, watch. Here he comes. Look at that. And he got him.
Look at that.
Jeez, he had him whole, look.
There we go back. You got something there, have you?
I do, for once.
You got a minnow, have you?
Wrasse! Oh! Is it? Yes, I got the wrasse. Ollie! Got the wrasse. He's off, is he? Well, he's definitely on. He's definitely on. Don't start trying to say this fish is yours, Don, right? You've been catching enough. Oh, baby. Yeah, he took mine. Yeah, look.
Oh, baby.
Oh.
Get a picture of him. Nice little one. And turn her into, will you? Johnny, back in.
Another wrasse. Oh, it's a better fish. This is a good one. Give me a cod, baby. Oh yes!
What?
Cod!
Oh, carefully, pull it off. That's a decent.
Oh yes! It was gonna be anyone! Oh yes! Oh yes! Woohoo! Oh yes! Here, Paul, take a picture, will you?
Oh, that's terrible.
Right, here's Paul, you gonna do the cods. Nicely done, Paul.
Okay, that's fine. There's a fee for everything, you know. Pay a pretty penny for that now.
Well, there you have them. 2 nice fillets off them. Feed them back to the boards. Nicely done. Well guys, heading back in, we've got cornered, one cod, one cornered, some wrasse, some pollocks, so quite a good